my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so I've got my nail all completely ready to go. I've used the fibre gel tip on this with Cameo fibre gel. So that has just come out the lamp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with my no wipe top coat and completely cover this nail. Give it a nice good seal. Because we're using pigments, we don't want the pigments to stick to any of the negative space. So that no wipe top coat will stop that from happening. So make sure you get complete full coverage with that. When you're happy, that can go into the lamp for a full cure. Thank you, Sam. So I'm going to be using some of the ombre pigments today. I'm going to be using the purple and the turquoise. I love these two colours together. So I'm just going to get those out and get them ready. I'm going to be using the Dove polish from the Prophecy collection. And this is what our pigments are going to be sticking to. So I'm using my 10mm liner.
Your favourite brush.
Yeah. And I'm just going to get some of that loaded up on there. What I'm going to do is paint my design on with this. So then when this comes out the lamp, the white will leave that sticky inhibition layer that we want. And not on the negative space. So you can do any design you like. Whatever you fancy. You don't have to use white either. You can use, so it can get a little bit tricky. If you're doing like an ombre, which I am doing with the pigments, you'll need to ombre your colours as well. But it just gives you a little bit of flexibility if you want to pop some extra colour under there. Make the pigments pop a little bit more, you can do.
Should be more like a contrasting colour, so like a blue and a pink.
It doesn't necessarily have to be a contrasting colour. It would just be a base colour just to help the pigments pop a little bit more. Okay. Okay, when you're happy with... I'm going to bring that round a little bit, I think. The dogs are so nosy. Okay, when you're happy, that can go into the lamp for full cure. Okay, carefully remove your lids. These are so pretty. Look how shimmery they are.
Their pigments are amazing.
I love them. So you can use your sponge applicator or you can use an old makeup brush. Obviously these come with the sponge applicators, which is nice and handy. Right, so now this is out the lamp. What are we going to do? Should we do top to bottom? I think what I'm going to do is purple on the top left half and then turquoise on the bottom right half. So I'm just pressing this into that white. Just open your fingers out for me, babe. I don't even know if I was in shot then. I don't know. Sorry, guys. If that wasn't in shot, I do apologise. So I'm just pressing this purple pigment into the white gel polish. And then what I'm going to do with a little bit lighter pressure, just on the end of that, just going to pat a little bit more. Less pressure means less colour, less dense. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
My brain's not working today. So I'll leave that as is for now. I'm going to come in with the turquoise. And again, really press it in.
Oh, that blue.
It's so pretty. It actually matches my hair, doesn't it?
It does.
This is my hair. Look, it's perfect. Oh, I love this one. So plenty of pigment and pressing it in where you want it fuller. Words are failing me today. And then as we get to where we want them to ombre, I'm just going to lessen up on the pressure. Is that a word? I'm sorry, guys. My brain's not with it today. And then I'm just going to bounce around between the purple and the turquoise just over that ombre section so that we get a nice blend. Oh, this looks pretty. I like this. I like this. Now, with any luck, and this is normally, if something's going to go wrong, it's normally at this point. With any luck, I'm just going to move these out of the way, pop lids on.
Yeah, because one of us is going to sneeze.
Yep. Okay, when I carefully dust over this nail, it will come away from the no wipe top coat like that.
Oh, wow.
And it'll stay where we've pressed it into that inhibition layer. Look at that.
Now, would you need to top coat over the top of that?
Absolutely, yes. It does need top coating, otherwise the pigment, that's the word I was looking for. The pigment will come away as well. So I don't know if you can see, I've just got a little bit of pigment on a section that I don't want it to be on. So I'm just going to use just an old brush that I've got and just some nail plate cleanser just to tidy that up a little bit. I need a little bit more than that, I think. Just to tidy that up. To be fair, these ombre pigments, when they're not backed by white, they're very, very subtle. So if you have ended up with some of it in places that you don't want, don't stress. It's okay. Just clean it up a little bit. Okay, so that will dry pretty quick because it is alcohol based. So I'll pop the lid on there and then we can come in. Matte or shiny? Matte or shiny? We do this every time. What are we going to do? Matte or gloss? I don't know what to do. I think because of this turquoise and the shimmer, I think I'm going to keep it gloss. Yeah, let's keep it gloss. So obviously the ombre pigments, there are loads in the collection. Loads in the collection, so you can really have, oh, look how that transforms it. You can really have a play with these ombre pigments and throw just about anything in there that you want. I'm just saying words now. Words are just falling out my mouth.
Luckily, they all make sense.
Okay, pop that in the lamp for me. In my defence, I did have a crowbar to the head the other day, so it was self-inflicted, by the way. I'm just going to state that. I didn't get into a fight with anybody, don't worry. Self-inflicted concussion. So, brain fog has been a killer.
She's still producing some fantastic nails, even with a concussion.
Wow. I'm still breathing, if that counts. I'll live another day. Fantastic. Let's get some cuticle oil on here. Let's go for mango. Oh, I really love that. You could do a full set of these. Because they really don't take that long to do. But those ombre pigments, the shimmer in them is unreal. I really, really love that. Let me know what you think in the comments below, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.